Welcome back. This time around, we're gonna be using a BCO curve to control a palm tree leaf. This is the steps you're gonna need in order to do this kind of little projects. For this one, we have a base mesh, which is just the leaf and half of the stem. And the first thing we're gonna be doing is adding a mirror modifier on the y-axis for my case. There, so we have two, and now we have the leaf and the little stem already complete. Now we're gonna be adding a array modifier and array once, and we're gonna be doing a fit to curve fit type. This now requires a curve. Now we're gonna need to add a curve. Now Shift A to add a curve, and we're gonna create a Bezier curve. Alright, there's our Bezier curve right here. Now we need to tell our modifier to pick our Bezier curve. So you go here to modifiers, properties, and you wanna grab the eyedropper. Select that one, and this creates the pattern for the Bezier curve. Now this only creates it in the length size of your Bezier curve. So if I select the Bezier curve right now, go to edit and click on 1 inch, this only follows lengthwise. It doesn't actually follow your curve. Now if you wanna make it to wrap around your curve so you can have full control over it, this is the next modifier you need to select your leaves. In my instance, you want to add a curve modifier now, and this one you want to add in the eyedropper. Select your curve, and now your curve or your mesh will be wrapped around your curve. And there you go. So now your mesh is gonna follow your distance of your curve. Now if I select my curve, if I can pick it, yeah, there we go. Now you can grab one end, and now you can distort it or move it however you want. Now here you can extrude more sections and keep going. So this is a great way to make vines, rope, or any particular settings. In my case, what I want to do, let me undo this. I want to create a palm tree leaves. So I'm gonna grab this one and straighten it up. So it could be roughly around there. Now, as palm trees go, they're very big at the beginning, and they taper down the further they get. And this is one great thing that you can do about curves, is that you can grab one end, and you can actually control its scale value, and they'll create the scale value of your mesh as well. So with Alt S, while you're selecting your point of interest that you want to scale down, yes, grab it, and you can make it bigger. Or in my case, I want to make it smaller. There you go. So now we have this nice little taper view. I can grab this and stretch it out, and it will keep on following it. So this is a great way of how to create these nice little effects where you can have like a leaf pattern or like vines and make them smaller and smaller as you go. Now all you need to do is, once you're done, grab and just apply all your settings, and you are set. Or if you want to be keeping this thing as a bishop curve for him. Just leave them as is, and you are set. Alright, this concludes this video, and we'll catch you guys next time.